If customers are about to cancel their subscriptions, pause and cancellation discounts can help reduce churn. To set this up, open the Kaching Subscriptions app and go to the customer portal. Then, click on Retention. On the right side, you'll see your cancellation offers, pause offers, and accepted offers. Let's enable the cancellation offer and update the discount to 15%. Cancellation offers let customers receive a discount on all upcoming orders for that subscription instead of canceling their subscription completely. The same applies to pause discounts, which are shown when a customer tries to pause the subscription. Let's enable that as well and set the discount to 10%. In the Accepted Offers section, you can see all accepted offers. Click into one to view the applied discounts, upcoming orders, and the full customer timeline. The discount is only shown during the cancellation or pause flow, giving customers an alternative without forcing the decision. Here are a few important things to note. Merchants can set up both pause discounts and cancellation discounts. If a customer has multiple subscriptions, pause and cancellation discounts apply to each subscription separately and will affect all future orders for that subscription. If a customer accepts a pause discount, the cancellation discount for that subscription will no longer be shown when they try to cancel.